The chapel is one place where students like to come to take a break from their hectic schedules and find inner peace and strength. It is one place where they can unwind, connect with themselves, meditate, and find inner peace. Do you often see students visiting the chapel?
Yeah, they come every single morning because they find peace in their life for the rest of the day. And Tuesdays and Thursdays there's this huge Bible study and a fellowship which happens. We're like it's crowded and it's filled. It's really nice.
So, do you have fun coming here? I mean, is it like a time off from college work and your hectic schedule? It's like you come here to like pray and seek some silence, meditate, spend some time with yourself.
Yeah, totally. Because when you leave the chapel, it's like full chaos. People are talking, people are yelling, people are running. But inside, everyone's so quiet and so calm. And even when you open your Bible, it's just like God actually speaks to you inside the chapel. It's really nice.
That's very nice to hear. Thank you. Irrespective of religion, students come here to take part in all the activities, be it choir practice, singing, Bible classes, or other fellowships and programs that are conducted here. How often do you visit the chapel? Do you come here every day, or how is it?
I come every day to the chapel, usually in the morning and in the afternoon. And whenever there is activities, usually I attend. And I feel in the chapel that something peaceful in my heart, and I feel it is the dwelling place of God. So I enjoy to be in the chapel.
Thank you, that's very nice. On the other hand, we also have some people who have never visited the chapel, even though they have passed by it many times. So now let's speak to Vijaya and see what she has to say.
Rather be a little weird to hear that I've never come to the chapel being in a Christian institution like this, and I've done my degree here, so I've walked this path an n number of times. I've peeped into it probably, but I've never gone into it or sat inside for a prayer. I wonder how that would be. I really want to do it sometimes.
Foundation stone for this chapel was laid on Wednesday, the 12th of March 1947. This is Srividya reporting for SJC News with camera person Nikhil and Rahiba.